Hello! And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do some nifty Windows things. Let's go! So you're using Windows 10 and you hate this search bar. How do we get rid of it? Let's check out some taskbar settings now, shall we? So first, we want to go down to the bottom of our screen of our desktop, and we want to go down to the taskbar. We want to right click and we bring up this menu, and we want to go to search, and we want to go to hidden. This will also apply to other things. For example, you may need to turn off your news and interest icon that may be appearing on the bottom right. And then when we were done, we were going to go down here to taskbar settings and click it. Here will give us various options. In this case, my recommended options are to have locking the taskbar and create small icons. Now obviously, you can have bigger icons if you want, but for the most part, you should have smaller ones because you can have more icons at the end of the day. And of course, you can change where the actual taskbar is. Do you want it left, top, right, or bottom? Hey, thanks for viewing the videos. Why don't you click the icon right there for some more videos, and if you have any ideas for a tutorial or anything like that, comment below. Thanks.